First thing we'll do is go to the Files app on the iPhone. We'll open that up, and then you'll want to go to the page where it says Browse. Now, you may be on some sort of location. You want to go back to Locations to take you to this tab right here. Next thing we'll do is connect to our server with the three dots up on the top, and then we'll choose Connect to Server. From there, we'll enter in our domain name of the server. Right now, this works with SMB, so you're going to want to make sure your server supports SMB connections, which is pretty much most servers. You can enter in a domain name or an IP address. I'm in my local network right now, so I will enter in an IP address. However, I do have a domain name set up. I want to use that. So all I have to do is just enter in my IP address. You don't have to do SMB://. If you don't fill that in, it will automatically do that for you. So I will type in my IP address of my server, and we'll hit connect. From there, we'll choose our option on how do we want to log in. Very similar to macOS. You can log in as a guest if your server supports that functionality, or you can log in as a registered user. My server doesn't support guests, so I will enter in my credentials, and then we'll hit next. It will take a couple seconds, but from there, it should take you to the Files section on your phone, where you can see all the shared folders on your server. As you can see under shared, it says 10.0.1.14, the IP address of my server. If we click on that, it will log us in right away, and we can see a list of the shared folders that are currently on the server that I have access to. For all of my use, I typically put files that I'm working on the NAS section. So I click that, it will load up every single file and folder that I have on my server. And one great thing about this is that if you have multiple shared folders like I do, you don't have to add them individually like you would on Windows. You can just log in once and it will show all of the folders you have access to. Say for example, I want to download a certain file. How about this ARI vector graphic right here? I can tap it, it'll give me a preview, and I can perform other actions on it. I can click the share button and we can airdrop it. We can save it as an image to our phone, or we can do a whole bunch of other things with the new share sheet in iOS 13.